Okay, welcome to the Sandwich200 version 2 3D printer. This is a compact, portable, folding printer. It's a CoreXY design. It has a Flex 3 drive by Mutton 3D on the top. I've just got to get rid of that little bit of that there. Now we're off. Okay. I'm doing I've been trying to do a speed test here. This is, it should be 400 millimeters a second. Just doing the initial thing. I found a random object on the internet which has lots of wiggles and stuff on it. Let's see how it goes. Dunk dunk. It's turning direction really quite quickly, isn't it? Really sort that out. I think I have the print bed a bit too far down still. Let me see if I can find the... Right. I know you shouldn't do this. Down a bit. Down a bit. Don't tell nobody I did that, okay? So this is quite a large layer. Still not perfect, is it? But that's okay. Won't do. Woo! That was a bit quick. I've just dropped in a piece of spare filament here. Interesting bit's going to be when it gets up to the first layer. Okay, so let me show you here. Basically, this is a Duet 0.815. It's a 24 volt power supply, and it's only 30mm profile, and it will fit into that gap there on top of that motor, I think. So the whole thing will, the print bed will fold down, the top CoreXY will fold down, and this, the extruder part is detachable, because obviously it sticks up too far. When that's folded down, it sticks up too far, so you just detach it. Curious that there's that shape in the middle, whereas that's where something else has previously been printed, I can tell. That's one of the objects I've printed last, in exactly the shape of it. God willing. All of these wires here can be cut down to around 100mm, which is amazing. The only one that needs to be long is that Z motor down there. The extruder's right there. That can be 100mm wire. This one may be, yeah, again, maybe about 150, if that. The X end stop is actually on the print head. I figure that would be sensible to do that, so that you don't end up with something either on there, and you end up with wires going over, and nah, forget it. Okay, wiggle the end of that. Okay, so that's doing the... This is still in half speed mode because it's doing the second layer. Not bad. God, the speed is quick. I've set it at 450mm a second travel speed. I really just want to see what this comes out like at the on each second and above layers with this kind of wiggly stuff. Not sure if this is a good test of this thing. Ooh, that's quite quick. Seems to be coming out all right. Plastic waving at me. God, freaking hell! Look at that. I realise it's a 40:1 worm drive ratio, but still, that's pretty nuts. And so it's still doing that. And that looks alright. It doesn't look like it's splattering or anything like that. This is a Volcano E3D36 hot end, by the way, with this flex drive in it. You can mount this printer's moving around, going boom, boom, backwards and forwards on its cardboard and stuff. Very funny. I want to see if that's coming out all right. I want it to be faster. I want faster than that. Ah, that's not going quick enough for my liking. I'm going to have to do a long part. And just leave that going and see how it comes out. That's quite cute. It's a bowl of some description. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that to run. Alright, cool.